Have you ever heard a quirky old law and wondered if it was true, or if it ever even existed? Many states have these interesting legal tales, and California is no exception, often being the subject of some truly unique stories. It is fascinating to explore the truth behind these supposed statutes, understanding if they are real, urban legends, or something in between. No, California did not outlaw women driving while wearing housecoats. This often repeated claim is a classic urban legend, a popular misconception that has circulated for many years, often tied to a desire for older, more quaint times or a misunderstanding of how laws are created and enforced. The origin of this particular tale is likely rooted in various factors, including the social norms of a bygone era and the way local ordinances sometimes developed. In the early to mid-20th century, there was indeed a societal expectation for certain standards of dress in public, but these were typically informal customs rather than codified laws specifically targeting women's attire while driving. Laws are usually much more focused on safety or public order, not personal fashion choices. If you ever encounter an unusual legal claim and want to check its validity, a great first step is to visit your state's official legislative website or your local county and city ordinance pages. These official resources allow you to search current and historical statutes to see if a particular law is actually on the books. You can also consult legal databases or reputable historical archives to research the legislative history of your area. It is important to remember that many strange laws you hear about are either completely made up, misinterpretations of actual laws, or extremely outdated local ordinances that are rarely, if ever, enforced. The housecoat myth highlights how easily anecdotes can transform into widely believed falsehoods, especially when they sound amusing or outlandish enough to be true. Understanding this distinction helps us appreciate the true oddities of historical law while debunking the widespread fictions. So, while the image of a woman being pulled over for driving in her housecoat might be entertaining, rest assured that you will not face legal trouble for choosing comfort behind the wheel in California today. These stories reminded us to be curious about our legal history and to always verify those intriguing tales that sound almost too strange to be true, uncovering the actual facts that shape our communities.